Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you are all fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Students, today we are discussing exercise 1.3. This exercise is related to addition and subtraction of the matrices. Before solving the question of the exercise, I want to tell you what is the condition of addition and subtraction of the matrices. We can add or subtract the given matrices if they are having the same order. For example, I am having a matrix A which is equal to 2, 3, 1, 0 and matrix B is equal to 4, 1, 2, minus 1. The order of the matrix A is 2 by 2 because it has 2 rows and 2 columns. The order of the matrix B is also 2 by 2 because it also having 2 rows and 2 columns. Now the order of A and B are same. We can add A and B. Now we are having one more example. For example, C is equal to 2, 1 and D is equal to 3, 4. Now the order of the matrix C is 1 by 2 because it has 1 row and 2 columns, and the order of D is 2 by 1 because it has 2 rows and 1 column. Now students, look at the order of C and D. Both are not same, so we can't add C and D. Now question number 1 is, which of the following matrices are conformable for addition? Students, I have told you when the order of the given matrices are same, we can add. Look at matrix A. The order of the matrix A is 2 by 2 and the order of matrix E is also 2 by 2. So we can add A and E because they are having same order and the order is 2 by 2. Now look at the matrix B. The order of the matrix B is 2 by 1 and order of the D matrices is also 2 by 1. So we can add B and E, B and D because both are having the same order and the order is 2 by 1. Both are having 2 rows and 1 column. Now look at matrix C. C is having order 3 by 2 and F is also having order 3 by 2. So we can add C and F because both are having same order and the order is 3 by 2. Now we are having question number 2. In this question we have to find out the additive inverse of the following matrices. Students, there is no difference between additive inverse of a matrix and negative of a matrix. Whenever we have to find out the additive inverse of a matrix as well as negative of a matrix, just we have to change the sign of the given entries of the matrix. So the additive inverse of A is equal to, the first entry is plus 2, it goes to minus 2. Then minus goes to plus 2, plus 4 goes to minus 4 and plus 1 goes to minus 1. Similarly, we can find out the additive inverse of B and it is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 0 remains as it is. Minus 1 goes to plus 1, minus 2 goes to plus 2 and minus 1 goes to plus 1. Then there is minus 3, minus 1. Now the additive inverse of C is equal to minus 4 plus 2. The additive inverse of D is equal to -1, -3 goes to +3 and +2 goes to -2. 0 remains as it is and then there is +2 and -1. The additive inverse of E is equal to -1, 0, 0, -1. Now there is a last matrix F and it is equal to √3, -1, 1 and √-2. Now the additive inverse of F is equal to √3 goes to -√3, -1 goes to +1, -1 there is +1 and this +1 goes to -1 and the last entry is √2 and it goes to -√2. Students, here you have to keep one thing in your mind. You have to put the negative sign before this under root, not inside the under root. Now we are having question number 3. In this question we have to find out the addition of the matrices, the part 1. In part 1, first of all we have to put the value of A, and the value of A is equal to -1, 2, 2 and 1 plus 1, 1, 1 and 1. Now we have to add these two matrices. In addition of these two matrices, students, keep in your mind, we have to add the entries of the first matrix with the corresponding entries of the second matrix. How? -1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 and 1 plus 1. It goes to -1 plus 1 equal to 0, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and 1 plus 1 equal to 2. This is the answer of the part 1. Now part number 4. In this part, again first of all we have to put the value of D, and the value of D is equal to 1, -1, 2, 0, 3, 2 plus 0, 2, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now we have to add these two matrices. It goes to 1 plus 0, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 0, -1 plus 2, 0 plus 0 and 2 plus 1. Now just we have to solve it. By solving, it goes to 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, -1 plus 2, 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus 0, 3, 2 plus 1 equal to 3. This is the answer of question for part number 4. Now the seventh part is -2 into C. The solution of the part number 7 is -2 remains as it is, and we have to put the value of C. The value of C is 1, -1 and 2. Now students, between the -2 and the given matrices there is the sign of multiplication. So -2 will be multiplied with the each entry of the given matrix. It goes to -2 multiplied by 1, again -2 multiplied by -1 and -2 multiplied by 2. Now the answer is -2 multiplied by -1, minus plus, it's equal to 2. Just -2 multiplied by 2, it goes to -4. This is the answer of part number 7. Now we we are having question number 4. In this question he is saying perform the indicated operations and simplify the following. Students, this question there are 6 parts are here, but I'm just doing second and fifth because rest of the all parts are same. You have to do the remaining part of question number 3 and 4 by yourselves, but in these question if you are having any problem you can consult PDF. Now question number 4, second part is, in this part you can see there is a round bracket, and you know very well, first of all we have to solve the round bracket. The solution of the question number 2 is the first matrix remains as it is 1 0 0 1 and plus. Now we have to solve the round bracket as first. In these two matrices there is a sign of subtraction, and there is no difference between the addition and subtraction of the matrices. Just we have to solve the entities of the first matrix with the corresponding entities of the second matrix. How? It goes to 0 minus 1, 2 minus 1, then 3 minus 1 and 0 minus 0. Now by solving we are having 1 0 0 1 remains as it is, plus it goes to 0 minus 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1 2, 2 minus 1 1 and 0 minus 0, it's 0. Now after this we have to solve the last one two matrices, and there is a sign of addition between the two matrices, so we have to add the entities 1 minus 1, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 2 and 1 plus 0, and the final answer is 0 2, 0 plus 1 1 and 1 plus 0 1. This is the answer of part number 2. Now part number 5th, the solution of the part number 5th. Again we have to add the given two matrices, and you know very well an addition of the matrices, just we have to add the entities of the first matrix with the corresponding entities of the second matrix. How? 1 plus 1, 2 plus 0, 3 minus 2, 2 plus minus 2, then 3 plus minus 1, 1 plus 0, then 3 plus 0, 1 plus 2 and 2 plus minus 1. Now the answer is 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus minus 2 equal to 0, and 3 plus 0 is equal to 3, 2 plus 0 2, 3 plus minus 1 means 3 minus 1, and the answer is 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 3 minus 2 1, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and 2 plus minus 1 means 2 minus 1, and simply answer is 1. Now this is the answer of part number 5. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.